Okay, so for your exit ticket today, you are going to have some questions that you're going to have to answer, and I'm going to go over a couple of the questions and just help clarify some things that I think you may have a little bit of trouble on. So the first example of one of the questions that I'm going to show you is, which number does the digit 4 have a value of 4,000? So what does that mean? Which number does the digit 4 have a value of 4,000? Well, I'm looking for the digit 4, so this is going to be on a computer for you guys on your Chromebook, but you can write these numbers out, make yourself a place value chart just like this one, and plug the numbers in. So I'm looking for the digit 4, so I'm going to go circle all the 4s that I have here. And I want it to have a value of 4,000. Well, if it has a value of 4,000, then it's going to be in the thousands place value. So I'm going to write that down here. I know that my digit 4 needs to be in my thousands place value. So let's look at our first number, 37,422. The 4 is in the hundreds. That's not going to be my answer. 48,651. The 4 is in my 10,000s. That's not going to be my answer. 19,374. 4 is in my ones place value. That's not going to be my answer. And 24,397. 4 is in my thousands place value. There's your answer. So when you have your question like this, when you're answering the questions on your exit ticket, make a place value chart and plug your numbers into this so it can help you.